Alright guys, it's warmed up a whole 5 degrees since I've done this mod. You'll see when you turn it on, you have the check engine light again. That was one of the wires you hooked up. We could have left that out, but that's the way the guy did it on the forum. So anyway, you flip that switch off, it's going to go off. And I flip the switch on, you can hear it click on. So I ended up mounting my switch right here. So this is with it off. Again, hasn't been started in a couple hours. Okay, so now we're going to go turn the switch on. Got my check engine light. I'll try that. Now if I flip that switch off, kicked it down. That's not as bad as I thought, but it definitely helps. So I'd leave it on, let it warm up. I mean, I can hop on and take off right now. Something I couldn't do before. So, anyway, I'm thinking these kits are going to be available from Perfect Stranger Designs. Hit those guys up. They sell everything. Hand brakes. They got some really badass chain tensioners. You get your Brembo calipers there. Not to mention that sub cage. It's fucking sweet. Fully adjustable, aluminum, replaceable parts. It's the way to go. They also carry those brake lines I got. A few other things like your Finbro ECM, which is already installed on this bike. I think they carry the Finbro clutch springs now as well. Check them guys out on Facebook. Thanks.